Hey developers, choosing between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio Code Insiders, let's break it down fast. First, let's explain what each one is, then a quick comparison to find the best fit for you. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a free open-source code editor from Microsoft. It's lightweight, it runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and supports tons of languages via extensions. With IntelliSense, built-in Git and debugging, it's stable and perfect for everyday coding. Updates drop monthly with tested features for a smooth experience. VS Code Insiders is the preview version of VS Code. It's for early adopters who want the latest features and bug fixes. Updated daily, it's a beta build, so expect cutting-edge tools but occasional instability. It installs separately so you can run it alongside VS Code without conflicts. Now, let's compare. VS Code is your go-to for stability, ideal for production environments or when you need reliability. Insiders is for those who love testing new features and don't mind a few bugs. Performance, both are lightweight, but Insiders' daily updates might need more bandwidth. Use Insiders for experimenting or fast-paced projects, and stick with VS Code for critical work. So, which is better? Well, if you prioritize stability, go with VS Code. If you're an early adopter or need the latest tools, Insiders is your pick. Many devs actually use both, Insiders for testing and VS Code for production. Download both and find your flow. Happy coding, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.